force bump. Help support the companies that support our community. I started this project last weekend at the Pratt Fine Arts Center in Seattle, Washington. A big thank you to everybody who helped put on the event, and thanks to everybody who stopped by. We had a great time. I want to give a big thank you to Kim, the director up there. She gave us a tour of the facilities. If you're in the Seattle area and interested in making just about anything, go check it out. I'll put a link down below in the description to their website. They have everything from blacksmithing, welding, leatherwork, and yes, even woodworking and glass blowing. Speaking of glass blowing, Scott Darlington and I are doing a collab, a little sneak peek. We'll have a video up soon on that, and I want to give a big thank you to Paul from Made by Skateboarding. I'll put a link down below in the description to his Instagram page. Friday night when we got there, we got to talking and figure out where we're going to put the trailer and everything, and he glued up a recycled skateboard blank for me to turn on Saturday. And I've never turned recycled skateboards before, but I really like the way it came out. So thank you very much, Paul. All right, let's get started. There we go. It's about 4.5 inches tall and 5 inches in diameter. This was a fun project. I've never turned this stuff before, so I wasn't quite sure, but it turns very nice. And I was surprised too. I thought it would soak up the finish, but it really didn't. I only put about 3 coats of the lacquer on, and it came out very nice. Again, Paul, thank you so much. I'll put a link down below in the description for his Instagram page. Go check it out. He's doing some really cool stuff with recycled skateboards. The reason I brought it home to finish it was because of the top here. It's a little odd shaped. So I was going to use a vacuum chuck on it, but I ended up doing the jam chuck, and it worked very well. I just put a non-skid pad on it and held it very nice. Another big thank you to Pratt for having us up for the day. Had a great time. Thank you so much, guys. And we'll have a collab video out very soon with Scott. We're super excited about that. They should have them here pretty soon. We had to leave them up there because the glass pieces had to cool down, but we'll have something out soon on that. And we're going to be back up in the Seattle area in just a couple of weeks. We're going to be at the South Puget Sound Woodturners doing a club demo on Thursday evening. So if you're in the area, please stop by. I'll put a link down below in the description for that as well. And then on Saturday the 21st, we'll be at the Woodcraft in Seattle from 11 to 3. So please stop by and say hi. I'll put a link down below in the description to their website too. All right, this was a fun one. All right, till next time, take care. I doubt it, but just in case you missed it, here it is again. Just like anything in life, if it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. And that takes a lot of hard work and practice. And this is no different. I spent hours of training on this. All right, like 45 minutes, but still, that's time I could have spent on MySpace. You know, and then you get stuck in a rut and you just can't get there, and you start to doubt yourself. Am I good enough? Am I too old? Maybe I should have retired at 11.2. Maybe it can't be done. And then it happens. With 0.7 of a second to spare, the 10-second mark has been broken and the phone rings. It's Guinness. No, not the beer. Guinness Book of World Records. That just happened.